Which box has more butterflies? Let's start with the box on the left. There's one butterfly, two butterflies, three butterflies. This box has three butterflies. What about the box on the right? There's one butterfly, two butterflies, three butterflies, four butterflies, five butterflies, six butterflies. There's six butterflies in this box. So what box has more butterflies? Yeah, that's right. The box with six butterflies. Now, which box has more flowers? Let's start with the one on the left. There's one flower, two flower, three flowers, four flowers, five flowers, six flowers, seven flowers. This box has seven flowers. Now let's count the box on the right. There's one flower, two flowers, three flowers, four flowers. There's four flowers in the box. Now what box has more flowers? Yeah, that's right. The box with the seven flowers.